Direct marketing continued. Cost per order CPO. Advertisers can evaluate the relative effectiveness of an ad in only few minutes based on the number of calls generated. By running the same ad on different stations, a direct marketer can determine the relative effectiveness of a medium itself. Customer lifetime value CLTV. CLTV is a simple formula that is used to assist marketers in determining the dollar value associated with long-term relationship with a customer, thus evaluating his or her worth. The value is used to determine whether or not customer should be acquired as well as to optimize service vehicles to existing customers. RFM analysis. RFM analysis, recency frequency monitoring. A marketing technique used to determine quantitatively which customers are the most profitable by examining how recently a customer has purchased, recency, how often he or she purchases, frequency, and how much the customer spends, monetary. The role of direct marketing in the IMC program is it helps with the public, combining direct marketing with public relation, with personal selling, sales promotion, and support media. Direct marketing strategies, one step approach, as we have already seen, that is urge the viewer to make a call on a toll-free number. We have two-step approach where more than first one is designed to screen or qualify potential buyers. Three forms of direct selling: relative person to person selling. The salesperson visits the buyer home, job site, or other location to sell frequently purchased products or services. For example, MBA. Make has given away over 1 lakh Cadillacs, the company's symbols of sales success. Non-repetitive person-to-person selling. The salesperson visits the buyer's home, job site, and other location, sell infrequently purchased products or services. Cutco. Party plans. The salesperson offer products or service to the group of people through home or office parties and demonstrates. For example, Tupperware and party light gifts. Advantages of direct marketing: selective reach. You can segmentation. You make a segmentation easily. There is segmentation capabilities you can gain. Good level of frequency you can get. Testing can be done. Timing is also an advantage. Personalization is advantage. The cost is low. You can measure the effectiveness immediately. Disadvantage can be your image factors, your accuracy, your content support, rising cost, and do not call list gets longer and longer. So with this, we end up with direct marketing concept under IM.